Hey, my oil lab, Dr. Jeff and Megan, and it's a wonderful oil today, lemongrass. When you diffuse lemongrass, it clears the space.
It does.
hmm
It does. We source our lemongrass from family farmers in southern India. Now, the aroma is so healing to me. I just loved this essential oil when I used it. I herniated some discs in my neck about a year ago, and this is one of the oils that I used. I massaged 3 drops right into my neck to relieve the nerve pain that I was feeling. And anytime I smell lemongrass now, it's just super healing to me.
It's a very calming oil. So when you breathe in, like we just put
Yeah.
it on right now, when you breathe in the aroma, you immediately feel a sense of relaxation, a sense of calm just come throughout your entire body. It's an amazing, amazing essential oil. The two major molecules are Neral and Citral. We'll start with Neral. We use lemongrass in our gut protocol in our book because when Neral is in our gut and our gut is exposed to toxins, which it always is, toxins are ubiquitous. Neral creates a healthy inflammatory response and helps our gut produce more antioxidant enzymes, which again protect the lining of our gut. So if we have any type of gut issue at all, lemongrass is an oil that you're going to want to be using either topically or ingesting on a regular basis. Second primary molecule is citral, and citral has been shown to affect global gene expression and affect cellular biology very profoundly. So again, when we're using lemongrass for our gut, or when you're rubbing it on your neck, like if your Megan had 3 disc herniations, you're getting the internal benefits of positively affecting gene expression and cell biology with this oil.
It's so great. And emotionally, there's an awesome emotion effect to using this essential oil. Now, it's cleansing and detoxifying for energy. So if you're storing toxic energy in your body, if you're storing negative energies in your body, if you've been around somebody and they're just like an energy sucker, put lemongrass essential oil on. It's going to help cleanse the energy in your body. Now, Jeff mentioned before that it cleans the room, it clears the room. It is a very purifying essential oil. However, when you diffuse it in a space, say your bedroom, say you're having not so nice dreams, or you just feel like something's off, it clears the negative energy in the room as well. It is such a powerful essential oil. I like to think of it as saging. You know, when you burn and you sage, lemongrass does the same thing as an essential oil.
And a great diffuser combination is lemongrass and a wood oil. We love in the summer, we're thankful it's coming into summer now, but lemongrass and cedarwood is one of our favorites to diffuse in the home during the summer months, just for that refreshing, calming, clearing energy. We love you guys. Let us know how you love lemongrass. You did well on Intune.
Yes,
Got some great comments
so
on Intune,
fun.
so good job, you guys. And we love you guys. We'll see you on the next video.
Mic drop.